You Are Alive is a song by the German trance group Fragma. It was released on 7 May 2001 as the fourth and final single from their debut album, Toca. Damae is the song's vocalist. The single peaked at number 4 on the UK singles chart in May 2001 and charted within the top 20 in Austria, Denmark, Ireland, Norway, Romania, and Spain. In the United States, the song reached number 17 on the Billboard Dance Club Songs chart. Track listing. CD Maxi 2001, Europe. You Are Alive, radio edit, 336. You Are Alive, Blank and Jones RMX, 756. You Are Alive, extended version, 6 o'clock. You Are Alive, Warp Brothers RMX, 723. You Are Alive, Praha RMX, 815. You Are Alive, dub version, 515. Charts. References. External links. Lyrics of this song at Metrolyrics.